My name is Amius and I just got one question. Are you ready for the Future Tech Fest? Let's go.
People were queuing up already, 600 meters. It's very busy, it's very vivid. There's really a good vibe here.
It's a fantastic atmosphere that we have here in the Rhineland, that people come here, want to start a new business. And I think this is what this region needs, and it's what the country needs.
Get all this, bring it back. Bring it, keep it back. Look at all this, bring it.
Well, events like these are important because we are in the midst of a transformation. So there are some things which are new developments, and you have to exchange.
We have the startup founders, obviously. We have the investor base, and we do have politicians and other stakeholders. Just a great opportunity to be here today.
Great event. I think it's one of the best events we have here in NRW.
I've had amazing conversations. I think it's a very cool bunch of people that you bring together, and especially with the female focus on the She stage.
Do it. Like, go ahead. Don't have fear. Just start it. It's okay to fail. It's also okay if it takes longer, because starting and running a company is always a marathon and not a sprint.
Never give up. Give yourself a long term. Make it a marathon. Believe in yourself.
Let's celebrate the future of tech.
Let's celebrate the future of tech.
Let's celebrate the future of tech.
Let's celebrate the future of tech.